problem with having Genesis and the MATAI collection is, you know, one fits a male, one fits a female, and we wanted to kind of look at a watch that could fit both, you know, that they could both wear. We didn't sort of have this his or her system where you could be like, and it really suited each other. So we wanted to make a watch that, you know, you or, you know, us and our gingers can wear together. And so that's where we introduced the Eva Marcina collection.
Right.
And
That
so,
is a beautiful one. I've got to say.
yeah. So that's the Eva Marcina collection, and sort of the reason why we called it the Eva Marcina collection is because, you know, me and Andrew were sitting there. We're sitting there and we're thinking, okay, what's something that can connect, you know, women and men together?
Okay.
And I'm sort of sitting there and I'm like, you know, how a baby's made, right?
Yep.
Mum and Dad.
I see.
How long does it take to, you know? And I was like, 9 months. And I was like, Sully, how do you say 9 months in Samoan, right?
Get it.
He was Eva Marcina.
Yep.
And that's the story of the Eva Marcina. So we're fortunate enough to work with, you know, legendary artists, another music artist, Richard Parker. You know, he's Dave's uncle, which is really crazy, and being able to, and he went and wrote a song, you know, how awesome, right? Get this OG come and make us a song, and he just sent it and we ended up using it.
What's the time, Mr. MATAI? What's the time, Mr. MATAI? You let the world what time it is. It's simple as ABC. MATAI watches is what you need.
And that's sort of how that kind of came about, and then we got to work with WWE superstar Zion Quinn, you know, to do Black Series on it as well, you know, and that, what a huge honor, you know, to work
I
with.
love that Genesis and MATAI gave birth to Eva Marcina.
Eva Marcina.
How beautiful is that, you know? Did I sum that up so good?
Bro, that's a highlight. That's a highlight reel, bro. YouTube 1 million hits coming, man. We got Joe Rogan over here. We got Joe Rogan. Man, I'm looking on the corner, I'm like, this dude, man. He's got that smile and everything. So, yeah, bro, you're made to do this, bro. You're made to do this.
And I love the questions, Nays, you know. I love the prompting.
MATAI watches is what you need.